Good afternoon, everybody. This is Dr. Justin at Activated Life Chiropractic and Wellness. February, we're continuing to talk about the jaw, the TMJ, and in association with that today, we're going to address snoring. Did you know that there's two types of snoring? There is what's called, you could get sleep apnea with snoring in two forms. One could be an obstruction, tongue or jaw position, or another can actually be central nervous system, which is in your coming from the base of your skull. So snoring can come from several places according to matrix repatterning. One of the most common places is tension into the scalene muscles that come through here, which are these muscles on the front, and the tightness of your rib cage. Trauma here and a reduced thoracic outlet can also create more labored breathing and have it harder for you to breathe through your nose. So you're having to use your rib cage to breathe. That also pulls on the tongue and fascia associated with that. So it can be coming from down here. Another thing too is any impact to your facial bones and your cranium, your head, any impact there can actually change the palate and the sinus structure and also create a partial snoring opportunity as well. So if you've ever had cranial injuries, that can also be creating a snoring issue. So the big places to look at when you have a snoring issue is the jaw position, the cranial facial position, and also, believe it or not, your neck can also play a factor into this as well. You want to make sure that your cervical spine is in proper alignment and your upper rib cage is also in the best position as well to keep the airway open at its optimum. So if you have snoring issues and you want to know more about that, come check us out at Activate Life Chiropractic and Wellness. We can do some matrix repatterning and hopefully to try to help reduce some of the snoring. And if cases are severe enough, sometimes you are a candidate for a CPAP. But in the meantime, if you wanted to try something in the interim before a CPAP, and before you have to get to that point, this could be an option for you to try to work on a conservative approach to reducing snoring. And then if you needed the CPAP later on, you could do that. So come check us out, and we hope that we can help you with this issue.